Response to a fall for someone living in their own home. The vision for the future of care in Wales is for everyone to have more effective, person-centred, community-based care provided by health, social care, housing and public and private sector partners working together. At Healthcare Inspectorate Wales, we are responsible for checking that people receive good quality healthcare. We have undertaken a national review of integrated care with a focus on falls, which assesses how systems work together and makes recommendations for how they could work together better. Response to a fall for someone living in their own home. This is Bryn. He is an older person who has fallen in his own home. If the services that are in place to care for and support Bryn don't work together in a joined-up way, he may experience a long wait for the right response with increased strain on the emergency services, an avoidable admission to hospital with the resulting problems this can mean, and missed opportunities to solve the root cause of his preventable falls. In a joined-up system, Bryn can expect a rapid response to his fall from an appropriate service, person-centred care provided at or near to home wherever possible, taking into account what matters to him, and meaningful assessment and intervention that aims to prevent harm from falls in the future. To improve the care and support Bryn receives, we recommend falls in people aged over 65 should be a priority in its own right. Increase public engagement around significance and preventability of falls. Value the social care workforce. Fund preventative resources. Standardise a national framework. Deliver clear local models of joined-up care. Everyone who works in the system should aim to deliver person-centred care. Develop a sufficiently trained workforce to meet the needs of the population. For more information and to read the report, go to www.hiw.org.uk/falls review.